Imagine you're sitting on a park bench, sipping a coffee, and scrolling through your phone. Suddenly, you come across an ad for Stash. Have you ever wondered what Stash is all about? Is it a bank account? An investment platform? Or something entirely different? In today's world, managing your finances can feel like navigating a financial jungle. With so many different options out there, it's easy to get lost. That's why it's important to understand the basics before diving into the world of investing. What is Stash? Stash is a micro-investing app that makes investing accessible to everyone. It's designed to simplify the process of investing, even for beginners. So, let's break down exactly what it is. Key features. Fractional shares. One of the most unique features of Stash is its ability to purchase fractional shares. This means you can invest in stocks and ETFs for as little as $5. So, even if you don't have a lot of money to start with, you can still build a diversified portfolio. Automated investing. Stash offers a feature called Auto Invest that allows you to set up automatic contributions to your investment account. This is a great way to develop a consistent saving habit and watch your investments grow over time. Roundup feature. Another handy feature is the roundup feature. This automatically rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. It's a simple way to save and invest without even noticing it. Expert-crafted portfolios. If you're not sure where to start, Stash offers a variety of pre-built portfolios curated by investment experts. These portfolios are designed to suit different risk tolerances and investment goals. Educational resources. Stash also provides a wealth of educational resources to help you learn more about investing. From articles and videos to quizzes and workshops, there's something for everyone. Is Stash a bank account? While Stash does offer a checking account, it's primarily an investment platform. The checking account is designed to complement your investments and make it easier to manage your finances. However, it's important to note that Stash's checking account may have different features and benefits compared to traditional bank accounts. Is Stash safe? Yes, Stash is a safe and secure platform. Your investments are held in a brokerage account that is FDIC insured up to $250,000. Additionally, Stash uses industry-standard security measures to protect your personal information. Who is Stash for? Stash is a great option for anyone who wants to start investing, regardless of their experience level or financial situation. It's particularly suitable for beginners who are looking for a simple and affordable way to invest. The benefits of Stash. There are many benefits to using Stash, including accessibility. Stash makes investing accessible to everyone, regardless of their income or education level. Affordability. You can start investing with as little as $5, making it a great option for those on a budget. Convenience. Stash is easy to use and can be accessed from anywhere with an internet connection. Education. Stash provides a variety of educational resources to help you learn more about investing. So, what type of account is Stash? It's a micro-investing app that makes investing accessible, affordable, and convenient. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, Stash offers a variety of features and benefits to help you reach your financial goals. Ready to start your investing journey with Stash? Download the app today and take advantage of all the benefits it has to offer. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.